So what is this for?
This is Gigi Baba.
Gigi
When
Baba.
you have 4 wives,
Yes.
you need this stuff. You should stay in Dubai, make 4 wives.
Make 4 wives. Okay.
Don't go back Washington.
Okay.
Yeah, this is your second house.
Okay. Yeah, it is my second house now. I love it here.
You take a small quantity like this.
Yes.
Directly put your mouth, then drink milk.
They drink milk.
Do you know what happened after 5 minutes?
What happened?
You know, machine like Burj Khalifa.
Like Burj Khalifa. Good morning, it's Ivan here. I'm at this neighborhood called Seef in Dubai, about 30 minutes away from the Palm area, downtown, modern area. When you think of Dubai, you often think of, you know, just a massive city with the world's tallest buildings, you know, the world's largest malls, all this, everything is so big and is the future, right? Everything, it's like, you know, just geared towards futuristic construction. It's amazing. But there's a part of the city that is actually not that way. And that's where I wanted to start my time here in Dubai, you know, just to remember the history things started. So I'm here in this place called Seef. So I'll let you take a quick look. So this is what it looks like around here. There are some buildings that are modern. You know, far in the distance, you can see a couple of things that look like, you know, modern construction, but otherwise, this is basically the look around here. This is basically the look. So I'm meeting my guide today for a walkthrough in this neighborhood. There is a shopping mall here. I don't know what it looks like, but again, I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what the old part of the city looks like. Seef. So there's actually a hotel here by Hilton, and it's actually it's called the Seef Hotel, and that's where I'm supposed to meet the guide today. You see, it's actually over there. That's the Seef Heritage Hotel by Hilton. So we're meeting over there today, and we're gonna walk around and take a look at what this area is all about. I'm excited. I can't wait to see, you know, what this city really offers besides futuristic construction. Aladdin, remember Aladdin? I do, from my childhood. That was one of the, you know, most popular cartoon that I used to watch right there back then. They've made a few modern versions of that. If you haven't checked it out, I think most of you guys probably have. You know, check out Aladdin if you haven't. Aladdin, excuse me. In French, it's Aladdin. So, Aladdin treasures. So, gift shop. So, guys, I will be taking you guys, you know, around today and showing you basically what Seef is all about. So far, everything is going great in Dubai. I've already seen a few sites that I cannot wait to share with you guys. I've never seen anything like this in my life. This is one of the most amazing cities ever as far as the construction is concerned. It is the way they build here. I mean, I don't know. There's a lot of, you can just smell the money everywhere you go. Money. It's expensive too. But Dubai has amazing transportation. You know, there's trams, trains, metros, Uber, and they have their own version. I think it's called Karim, which is their version of Uber here that works too. But Uber, the regular Uber, also works. Taxis on top of that as well. I'm not used to the currency yet, though. I'm not used to the currency. I still have to figure out, you know what I mean, what 1 dirham represents. Like, when they give me money, I'm like, whoa, what is this? I have to go on my converter app all the time to check it out. But anyways, waiting for the guide, and stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe, like, and share if you haven't already, and thank you for your support.
are museums, heritage areas. Then I'll explain to you a lot about the culture, the lifestyle, the history here. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. We are going to visit 3 local markets. I hope the group stays as this. I don't lose anyone. We'll visit Grand Souk, Spice Souk, and Gold Souk. Before each souk, I'll give you some tips. Seriously? I'll give you some tips about the prices, the products, how much you should pay, how should you interact, and I'll give you enough time in the markets to do your shopping as well. Is my English okay? Yeah. Okay. That's right.
So we're getting started here. We had 14 people and now the group is much smaller, but hey, it's a paid tour, so if they don't show up, that's their problem. So gonna be checking out some markets, and he's gonna give us some time to also you know, do some shopping. So I will show you guys basically one of the options. So I hope you enjoyed this as much as me. My goal is to make you feel like you are actually here. So less talking and more videos. That's basically what I'm trying to do.
Seef heritage area is 2 kilometers long. It's all about restaurants, hotels, and shops. Many shops are closed at the moment. This has not been closed currently. They didn't make enough money to pay the rent. So they didn't survive. How old is this area? A Seef? What do you think? 5. I'll give you a hint, it's 5. 5 years old. This area is just 5 years old. It's fake.
When we came here, she says it's new.
It's built to look old, it's not all that old. So it's fake. It's built copy from the old city. Our national dress here is called the Kandura. I think it's very easy here to tell who is a man, who is a lady. By how we look. I'm not allowed to look feminine in any manner. And the ladies here are not allowed to grow the beard, so they are not allowed to look like man in any manner. The ladies wear gold jewelry. I cannot wear any gold or any jewelry. Even a golden watch is forbidden for me. No gold. That's why I have my beard. It's miserable for the guys here. It's only the beard you can have as a man here. That's your makeup. Why? To reflect to the sun, to help us to feed our families. In my culture, I'm responsible for my family financially. And traditionally, people here used to live from camels, from the desert. You are outside the whole day. So you need something to help you with this. White color, to reflect the sun. Traditionally as well, the women in Arabia in the desert life, they stay at home, and when they go out, they cover their beauty in black. Nowadays, they wear Western clothes, and they put the black on the top of this in public. When they are with other ladies, they take off the black. And they do comfort jobs. They don't work really in the desert or hard jobs. They do always comfort jobs. The thing here, we have it for the perfume. I don't put the perfume on the dress. To avoid stains, I put the perfume thing here. You want to flirt with a girl? You see a girl, yeah, all the perfume is here. So when I see a girl coming, you get the attention with this. Head cover, we have it in any color you could imagine. The color has no meaning, has no significance. You wear any color you like, preference. But officially, when I work for the government or in the office, white. White, and I keep it loose, and I use a black ring to fix this. That is the official look. My look now is a casual look. So people use the black ring to fix this. If you manage to tie this up, you don't need the black ring. In the past, they used the black ring for the camels. You wander through the desert with your camel and you would like to take a break, to take a nap, to sleep over. How do you make your camel wait for you? You put your camel down to sit and they put the black ring here. So they cannot stretch their feet, they cannot stand up. That's how you park your camel. Because nowadays you have parking everywhere. How expensive can a camel get and how many camels do you pay for a wife?
No clue.
You married?
Nothing.
Married? How many camels did you pay?
No camels.
If I get married to a girl in the same tribe, I pay 5 camels. A different tribe, 20 camels. Maximum 20 camels. How expensive can a camel get? Depends on the breed of the camel. We have about 15 different breeds of camels. We have here camels that are defined as beautiful camels. A beautiful camel has a long neck, big eyelashes, big lips, chubby face. And we have a competition for this. The most beautiful camel, we have Miss Dubai, Miss Abu Dhabi, Miss UAE. We do. A price in average for such a camel, $800,000 for one camel. 40 camels were rejected this year for Botox. They are having Botox in their lips. The camels we use for camel racing are a bit smaller, skinny, very fast. You pay for one camel about $100,000. The ones we eat are a bit cheaper, about $3,000 for one camel. A different breed completely. Camels live long, up to 50 years old, in average 30 years old. Camels smell the water in the desert. They show us where the water is, 2 miles away. And they live without water, without food for 2 months. That's why people here have camels, not horses. Which camels do we use to pay? Yeah, the stupid ones. You give like stupid ones camels to the family. We will take a walk now in the market, in the area here. I'll make some stops, I'll explain to you more, I'll just leave it up to you. Okay, sorry.
So guys, you heard it. This area is actually not old. It's basically 5 years old. And you know, it's made to look old. So it's recommended that when you come to Dubai, you come here first on your initial experience so you can kind of see what the old city used to look like. Instead of just going to the future, you start here and then you go from there. So that's what I'm doing. So now we're heading to the market and the first stop, and then we will you know, continue this experience. So thank you for watching, and appreciate your support again.